2. What are you looking for? Don't turn the heater on, turn it off.
Where's it off? Towards this?
Away.
It was on.
No, always on. Actually, I can't remember. Turn the ignition on, you'll hear it running. I'm pretty sure when you put it towards us, it's on. Yeah. So where's off? Why, what was it when you pulled it?
It was on. Left is on.
I'm sure I remember turning it off. They're too far away to get them in proper focus. This is digital zoom. Optical zoom now, but where are they? Like not in the distance there. They zoom out. Oh, they're not too far away there. Closing in.
This one, one time the club were casting alloy fin drums.